The client loved these stairs, but they were in that ever so popular 1980s honey oak. They didn't want to change the style and design of the stairs, but they wanted to update them. As we discussed the project, it was important to them that we were able to maintain the quality of the wood while also adding a little bit more contrast to the stairs. And so the idea that we came up with was, what if we did the risers in one color and we did the treads all stained? And the client loved this. So we began by removing all of the balusters, the spindles, and the railings from the entirety of the stairs. We ended up deciding to remove them first because it meant that there was less handling of them after they had already been stripped. We continued with the process by doing 2 prime coats on all the spindles, followed by 2 top coats with Benjamin Moore's Command, and then we did 3 coats of Livos in black. And this gave us a really rich, dark black to the wood that also allowed the grain and the texture of the wood to still show through. The client was so happy with how the stairs looked that they wanted to do something else to elevate the rest of the walls in the stairwell. And so we actually came back and had a carpenter come in and we did all the wainscoting, and then we sprayed that out too, as well as in Benjamin Moore Command in the same urethane. The client was really happy with it. The carpet runner itself was custom. Journey Floors installed that and did a fantastic job of that. The client was really happy that the wood was still visible and it wasn't in a garish color as it had been previously, but it was more subtle, it was more nuanced.